In this video, we will learn how to do exporting the Linux hands-on labs for learning without Linux installation. Here, I'm using some particular website. I am able to do some uh, the lab session without Linux installation. Suppose if we want to do labs in the our home lab, any type of, we have to install a particular Visual Machine in AWS cloud, or we have to install the mm, VMware, and we have to download the ISO, and we have to put it in the ISO into VMware. It will take much time, but in the present time, showing the websites are very easy to, you can take the session very easily. First, I'm going to the website, play with the Docker. Suppose you want to create a, first you have to create a Google account. I'm already created, that's reason is directly going to the start. Add a new instance. The instance will be starting. It look like a brand new Linux machine. You can go through it. First, I want to practice. I had to check my working directory, PWD. Yeah, present working directory it will be shown. And checking, I want to do some, make some folder, make TER, name with mine. I'm checking the LS. Yeah, it will be happening. Like you can do whatever you want. Suppose I want to check. You want to check your host name, uname. Yeah, it will be show this is Linux OS. The same type of practice you can do. It will be different on your convenient. And second website is called Killer with a Code. Coda. I'm selecting, if you want to your wish, whatever you want to convenient you can use. I'm selecting the playgrounds. I'm selecting the open top. Now I want to do some practice. First, I need to check my host name. This is Linux OS. I have to check my present working directory and make a folder. You can do whatever if you want to do any practice like EPS cluster, like a Docker or Linux, anything. I'm creating my folder as well. ls -ls will show everything. And in the third website, it will be very useful. Third website.